Hey guys, Caleb with Black Pearl Media here. Thank you so much for stopping by. And in this video, we are continuing the Dollar to Datsun Challenge, where we are testing the power of pocket change. So if you're new to the challenge, the simple premise is we start with $1, we do all sorts of side hustles to then build on that and eventually purchase my attainable dream car, a 240 Datsun. Now, just as a quick recap, last video, we found nightstands on the side of the road for free that we were able to sell on Marketplace for $40, and then I spent $35 buying an abandoned storage unit. The storage unit was small, but it had a lot of quality clothing and some cell phones in there, and I've been slowly selling them on eBay, and as of right now, we've made a total of $160. And we haven't even sold that many clothes. I think we still have 40 more pieces to sell. So that's a really exciting start to the challenge, but we're gonna kick it up a gear in this video and do one of my favorite side hustles that always pays 100% of the time, and that's scrap metal. Scrap metal is readily available everywhere. You just need to know where to look or ask people if they have any available for you to pick up. Kind of like my father-in-law and a few friends in this video, which we will jump in right now. And be sure to stick around to the end because we stack up a significant amount of money to put towards our Datsun goal. So it's an exciting day for scrap. We are going to be heading over to go help out my father-in-law break down some scrap, which means more money in our pocket and a little bit closer on our goal. So let's get to it. We got a bunch of stuff I gotta help him load, but we're here, we made it. Now let's load the trailer. All right, we're almost done taking this off. Gotta get these lines, those are all copper, that's dope. But we already have this much in here. It's not much, but this radiator is crazy. This is gonna be good money here because that's all copper in there. But let me show you I thought it was just gonna be this. There's a lot more. There's also this boiler here, which has to come out in pieces, but it's humongous. I don't know if we're gonna fit it, but my father-in-law seems confident, and if he's confident, I'm confident, but that's not even all of it. There's also this. That's stainless steel with all aluminum under there. I think that's a stainless as well back there. And then there's even a transmission. There's a lot of money in scrap here, so I'm excited to see how much we make off this trip, but we're gonna have to pack this in like Jenga just to make sure everything fits. truck is loaded up. We got mostly steel here with our cores, and we got some stainless in the back. We got the fan in the back. We have this massive, what do you call these things again? I forget. Compressor, that's right. So thank you, Dad. And we got a box full of wires. We got a whole bunch of copper, so that's going to be good. And do you have any guesses on how much we're going to make?
Probably looking maybe $130.
130? I was thinking 120, so I think we're going to be pretty close.
Probably even more.
You think so?
You know, you forgot you have big coils.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, these coils are huge back here.
Yeah.
So that's these guys here.
You might have more.
So we will find out.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, thank you, Dad. We're here, so let's unload this steel, and then we'll get the rest of the good stuff that goes on the other side. So we're gonna unload this right now. All right, let's weigh it up, see how much that is. Then we got to take the rest inside. It's 4:24, 6 minutes before they close, so we made it just in time. We're gonna cash out and see how much we made. All right, guys, I have not read it yet. There was a lot of $20 bills, I will say that, so I'm pretty excited. This is the stack we got. So we're gonna count it up, see how much we got to put towards the Datsun. It's 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 220, 240, 260, 270, 271, $271. That's even more than I thought it was gonna be. Let's see. All right, we're gonna do the breakdown. Some people like this, some people don't. But we got aluminum. We had 83 pounds of aluminum, and that's gonna be $13.28. The radiator cores were really good. There was 74 pounds of the radiator cores at $1.40 a pound. That was $103.60. So that was a big chunk of it. Compressors, 83 pounds. That thing was 83 pounds. That thing was chunky. 18 cents a pound. So that came out to $14.94. Copper tubing, 22 pounds at $2.70 a pound. That came out to $59.40. We had heavy iron, which was, I think, the transmission, and that was 139 pounds at 10 cents a pound, well, 9 cents a pound, and that came out to $12.51. So if you got a if you have a transmission laying around, it's worth about 12 bucks. Let's see here. Light iron, miscellaneous light iron that I did inside, so that was about $1 or $3. But then the light iron that I took, basically most of what was in the trailer, that was about $30 worth. So $25.20 at 7 cents a pound, which means it went down 2 pennies since last time I was here. It used to be 9 cents a pound. Sheet aluminum, there was 38 pounds, and so that was $17.10. And then the radiator ends, that's like, we cut off the ends of the radiators to clean them up a bit, and it was 40 cents a pound. There's 12 pounds of that, $4.80. And then there was stainless, so there's 45 pounds of stainless at 20 cents a pound, 9 bucks. And yellow brass, there was 4 pounds of yellow brass at $1.90 a pound. That was $7.60, coming up to a $271, guys. That is insanity. Insanity. And guess what? This is only the first trip. Let's go get some more scrap. You see, the flipping just doesn't stop around here, and there's metal all over these streets. You just got to know where to look and have friends like mine. Norway Nils, we're gonna go to his fabrication shop. He says he's got a couple of pieces for me, and we're gonna load up there, see if we can get to $300 on scrap. All right, quick stop today. Let's see what we get. I'm hoping for $29. That's what I'm hoping for. $29. That will get us to over $300 in this video, which, you know, that wasn't like my goal at the beginning. I'm happy for anything we get, but, you know, just mentally, that goal would be nice to hit. So then you go back around, you get weighed, and that's how they, you know, dictate how much steel you just dropped off. All right, thank you, boss. Have a good one. Ooh, 390 pounds, 390 pounds. We could be close, we could be close. I think that might be around $20, maybe 30. I don't know, let's not try and guesstimate. I never try and guesstimate until I got money in hand. So I'm gonna go cash this in and see what we got. And also, shout out to him. I forget his name. Actually, I don't know if I ever got his name. He's here all the time. But he let me just drop some light steel with my heavy steel. And there's a slight price difference in those. So, and heavy steel is a better price. So maybe by like a penny a pound. But let's go figure out what we got. Thank you. Have a good one. All right, we got the total here. For this, we got 35 bucks, 20, 30, 35 bucks. That brings our total to, oh, what? Just from scrapping is $306? Yeah, $306. $306. $306 is actually way more than I thought I was gonna get on this video. So to be able to take our current budget and double it just in this one video is awesome. Actually, I think we more than doubled it. I'll put the total on screen right here of what we have in the Dollar to Datsun challenge. And I cannot wait to show you the next video because, spoiler alert, we bought another storage unit and I think we're gonna find some treasures in it. I haven't even looked through it all the way. I have to go there tonight. So I'll be doing more filming. So make sure you're subscribed and stick around to see what happens in this Dollar to Datsun challenge. We are off to a fiery start and I'm super excited about it. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Shout out to my father-in-law and shout out to Nils. I really appreciate it. Couldn't have done this video without you guys. I appreciate it. I will see you guys on the next video.